Hello and welcome back to another video. In the last one we went over logging and discussed how important it can be to have logging. You can know when a certain line executes, and if there is an error, you'll know where the error is. You can have more complicated logger messages if you wanted to. And you can also do profile, even though we weren't really able to get profile working. It's a possibility. And in this video, we're going to go over media. So what is media? In this chapter, we're going to take a look at the different types of media, like videos, audio, that lets you add it to your animation. One type of media Motion Canvas supports is audio. To add an audio track to your animation, you need to edit your Project TS file. First, we'll need to import the audio file we want to use as follows. So if I go to Project TS, so it looks like my animation, which is the folder I'm in right now. We have a source file directory right here. And then we want to do another directory outside of it and call it audio. And inside here we can have like a voice.mp3, and then in your Project TS file, we'll input audio, which is voice.mp3, and we can make inside of Make Project, we have scenes. Now we can add our audio, and once imported, we need to let Motion Canvas know that we want to use this audio file. We can do this by specifying the audio property in the properties folder. So now in the editor, you should see an audio track has been enabled. I am erroring out because I don't actually have voice.mp3. So let's go online and find some free mp3 files. mp3 copyright. Okay, download this. Let's do like some happy music maybe. Don't want to see an ad. Follow the song. What's this? Don't know if you guys can hear that, but it is pretty fun. I'm going to download this. I've never used this site before. It's just a random site. If I get viruses, I get viruses. Free download. Oh, it just downloaded. Open file. Okay, it apparently opened up in iMusic. That's okay. How do I get to stop? Okay. So let's quit this. Okay, so I'm gonna actually copy this file. I'm gonna put it into audio and yes, paste. And I'm just gonna rename this to voice.mp3. I can play this and it works. So now that that's loaded, I can get rid of that. I can go into Motion Canvas, I can refresh, and it said fail to resolve import, blah, blah, blah. So let me exit out of here and let me rerun Motion Canvas. And there we go. Only I don't see it popping up. I don't know why, but I always have issues with it appearing here. I don't know why. But we added the audio. Now if we open the file editor, we should see the audio track has been added. I have not seen that. Let's see here. File type. Let's do video. Include audio. Audio offset maybe 10, 0. This is our scenes. Not seeing what I'm looking for. Yeah, I don't know why this isn't. Oh, don't want that. Does it at least play? No. Yeah, I don't know where my audio went. Audio should have been added. Audio. Yeah. Audio just isn't showing up. Let me make sure I have it in the right location. Okay. So slash. Okay, I'm seeing node modules. I don't see audio. Okay, voice.mp3. Yeah. Oh, okay. That didn't work. Weird. Hopefully you have better luck. We have a list of supported formats. MP3. Maybe it's not a supported format. Revealed in Finder. If I open up info, can't really bring it up there like I want to. MP3 audio, it is stereo sample rate. Yeah, it really doesn't show. We can also put images. So, like audio, we have images, and we have import into our project. Actually, it doesn't go into the project, it goes into the scene. So if I go import like that, and then we can do img side img, and then we can go view add. Let's get rid of all of this. And of course, this is going to fail because I don't have an image.png, but I do have an image for, let's see, this is media. So let's just paste my image for this video, and I'm going to call it example. So let's rename it. Okay, so then first scene, we just showing example, and here we are rendering it. So fit to zoom, and there you go. So that worked. That worked quite well. For some reason, I couldn't get the other stuff working. Maybe I'm missing it. You need to edit first we need to import the audio file we want. Once imported, we let Motion Canvas know that we want to use the audio file. Yeah. Don't know. Images can also be animated like any other component in Motion Canvas. For this, we need to create a reference to pass into the image. That's about normal, and we can scale absolute. Are you going to be showing something here? I guess not. We can also do videos. This will be interesting. Now that we have a reference to the video, we can use it to animate the video as well as play and pause it. So play, maybe play for 5 seconds, scale it around, move it around, and then our supported formats. So yeah, don't know why down here doesn't work. It should have. But seems like there's some bugs with this application. Okay, in any case, that was media. In the next video, we're going to go over rendering and what does rendering mean. In short, rendering is just exporting your application now that you've created it. But join me in the next video to learn more. Until then, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.